Hey everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. So we recently bought, 3 months ago, bought a motorhome. We bought it for adventures. We both work from home. The kids are both homeschooled. So we thought, you know what, let's get a motorhome. I mean, actually we wanted a Luton van.
Yeah.
We wanted to do it up, didn't we?
Yeah, we wanted a project.
But we just didn't feel we had the time, but most importantly, we just didn't feel that we had the skills to do one up. So we didn't have a budget for a brand new motorhome or anything like that. So there she is. Well, he, it,
She.
it.
It's definitely a she.
I don't know, it's called the Beast, I don't know. I'll tell you what, put a comment in the post and tell us the Beast. It's she, he, it,
They,
whatever,
them.
they, them. So we bought it so we could have adventures, like I say. We didn't think we had time for to renovate one. Unfortunately, after a few good nights out and a few good weekends away and a good 5-6 days over Christmas in Scarborough, the pre-built turned into a
Massive renovation.
a massive renovation internally. And you have a look at some of the shorts that we've put up and you'll see that the floor was rotten. We had a leaking extractor fan that we had to deal with. Engines had to have a few things done to it.
Subfloor's been replaced.
Subfloor, you know, we've had to replace the cupboards, with the seats rather. So we thought, you know what, while we're doing that, while we're doing the floor, why not paint it all? You know, why not change everything completely, new floor and everything like that. So that's what we're kind of in the process of doing at the moment, is, well, doing everything to it at the moment. Yep. So we'll kind of show you what we're doing over time, and we'll put some more videos up. The plan is to adventure, you know, weekends away, weeks away, a couple of weeks away here and there. We usually drive to Spain anyway during the summer holidays for 4 or 5 weeks, so we're used to the travel. We're used to paying for Airbnbs. So this is going to be a fantastic adventure, but more importantly, it's going to be a fantastic adventure for the kids. Because we have to get away.
And the dog.
And the dog, of course, yeah, the dog. That's definitely a she. And so, you know, the kids will be able to learn, because we can go during the school term times, when there's nobody about, go to visit all these different places about the queues, and learn lots of things with the kids. So that's us, Craig and Leslie, and we'll see you soon.
The Beast.
You're not the Beast. You're definitely not the Beast, though. I'm the Beast.
Oh, rude.
Oh dear. See, when you get to this age, your earring goes. All right, speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.